In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Discord server boosts. Discord server boosts are a way to power up a server you care about with extra perks. Think of them as upgrade credits you can apply to a server to unlock better quality, more customization, and nicer community features. Boosts are limited, so you'll want to be intentional about where you use them. The key idea is simple. Boosts enhance a server's capabilities, and the more boosts a server has, the more perks it unlocks. To access your boosts, open the server you want to upgrade and click Server Boosts at the top left. That opens the Boost Hub for that specific server. This page shows you what perks the server currently has and what's coming up at the next level. It's a helpful spot to compare benefits and decide how to use what you've got. At the top right of that screen, you'll see the number of server boosts you have available on your account. That number is your boost wallet. It tells you exactly how many boosts you can commit right now. If it's 0, it simply means you don't have any available to apply at the moment. If there's a number there, you can choose where to spend them. Treat your boosts like a currency. You can use them to buy features for a server you manage or love, or you can use them to level up that server overall. Practically, both actions result in perks for the server. Think of buying features as targeting immediate benefits you care about, while leveling up focuses on pushing the server to the next tier where a bundle of perks unlocks together. Here are examples of what boosts can unlock as a server climbs levels. Increased audio quality in voice channels, larger upload size limits for members, more emoji and sticker slots, server banners and backgrounds for a more professional look, sometimes a custom invite splash, and other cosmetic and performance upgrades. The perk list on the Boost page will spell out exactly what's available now and what comes next. A few quick tips as you decide. Concentrating boosts on one server can be more impactful than spreading them thin, because levels are reached at specific thresholds. Check the progress bar to see how close the server is to the next level and plan accordingly. Boosts are tied to your account. You can reassign them later, but there may be a cooldown, and if a boost is removed, the server can lose perks after a grace period. That's all there is to it. Open the Server Boosts panel, check your available boosts at the top right, and decide whether to buy features or level up the server for broader perks.